Hello and welcome to Premier Truck Group of Columbia, Missouri. Today we have a 2025 M2 106 Plus for sale. Black single cab. Single axle. The chassis is set up for whatever your heart desires. M2 106 Plus here is powered by a Cummins 6.7 liter. Has 255 tires on it. This truck is brand new. We have multiple to choose from. This one is black. We have red and white as well. As you can see, the premium interior has the Cascadia dash in it with the M2 106 Plus. Controls on the steering wheel. Plenty of switches to add your specifications to. Come on in and see this one and many more at Premier Truck Group of Columbia. Thank you.